this time, because the last time when Jagdeep Dhankar has won,
getting some more. Hold on, Akansha. I really want you to hold on right now because we are getting more updates coming in. Vice President election, 13 leaders are going to be abstaining from the VP elections. It's very important to know that some parties have also said that they will not be participating in these elections. So this is what we see right now. Harsha, yes, Harsha, I'm coming across to you. We know that that there are some abstentions already, especially from the BRS and the BJD, plus 13 leaders will not be participating. And the question now would be about the mathematics, because we do know that the NDA has a numerical advantage so far. Yes, Harsha.
Yes, Shivangi, as we see, Prahlad Joshi is already on the way to leave for the parliament and will take a word.
Majority. Thumping majority. The majority which we have, more than that, we will win. And our candidate is also very, very popular among the MPs. He has become very popular. And with the blessing of all these MPs, he is going to win with a historical margin.
Good support from South India. South India is over down.
That cannot be revealed. There are many support.
Any vote on the parties which are abstaining from the...
That have already come in the public domain. I don't want to specifically say on that, but one or two parties, they have come in, said in the public domain that we are not going to vote, we are going to remain abstain. But otherwise, all others are voting, and we are hoping for a very good margin.
So, Shivangi, this is Prahlad Joshi, as now the leader, the minister, now is on the way to leave for the parliament itself. We can see Mr. Joshi leaving for the parliament, as today, the entire day, especially the ministers we are talking about, they will be inside the parliament only till the time the voting will take place, because 781, as the Kansha was pointing out, 781 is the total number of the MPs who will be voting for the vice president candidate, and this entire voting, therefore, because of the large number, because of the huge number, the voting process will go entire day. It will be from 10 o'clock in the morning till 5 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the evening. At 6 o'clock in the evening, the counting process will begin, and around 8 o'clock we are expecting the results to be out, and thereby the certificate also will be given today. So entire day we have the huge number of team deployed at different vantage point for today with the vice president election, a very important, long and hectic day for the entire country, as the country will be getting its vice president today. Stay tuned with Republic. We'll be right back after a short break. Much more on the other side of the news.